welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, I welcome you. Please stick around if you do like what you see, and let's get into today's video. I'm going to be creating two looks. That was four. I'm going to be creating two looks using the ColourPop Hocus Pocus palette. I do have to say thank you to my cousin for letting me borrow this. She's the one that suggested with fall already officially here to go ahead and get into the fall mood. And also with the Hocus Pocus 2 movie coming out really soon, I think it'd be the perfect time to use this palette. So this is the ColourPop Hocus Pocus palette, the original one. I do believe they came out with a Hocus Pocus 2 palette already. I don't know if it already launched, or if it's barely about to launch, but I know I've been seeing like pictures of it. So this is the original one, and I am going to be doing a daytime look as well as a nighttime look. And I'm excited to play with these colors because I know ColourPop formula is very good, and then fall is my absolute favorite, so very excited to get this started. So base is already done. If you guys are ever interested in knowing what products I use, they're always listed down in the description box. And so let's go ahead and start off with look number one, the daytime look. I'm going to begin by picking up the shade On Toast with a fluffy brush so that I can apply this all over on my crease. Having the brown creased and blended out, I do want to do a cut crease, so I'm going to be picking up my concealer for that, placing a couple of dots on my eyelid. I do want it to be a full cut crease, and then taking a flat concealer brush to fill it out. When I get out here to the end, I do want to wing it out a little bit with whatever extra is on my lid and on the brush, and give it like a little tail out here. You can still see the brown peeking out there on top. I'm going to pack in the shade Full Moon right on top of the concealer. It's actually a really super pretty shade. It has these very light shimmers in it. Very pretty. I'm also going to be placing that one into my inner corner. It's going to look a little bit less bold because it doesn't have that concealer on it, but I do want to brighten up this area. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to be taking this very small pencil brush and picking up the shade Dead Man's Toe. And what I'm going to be doing with this shade is I'm going to follow the cut crease. I'm going to be focusing it more on the outer part of the cut crease, like the wing part on the upper part. And you can see I'm not bringing it all the way into the cut crease, more like maybe 3/4 of the way, less than half for sure. And then wiping it off so you can blend it. Give it a very nice soft blend here on this part. Again, because I don't want to bring it all the way. I don't want to do that. So just give it a nice blend here where it finishes off so it can like taper off into this part. And after this, I am going to be working on my lower lash line. I will be bringing it all the way out, connecting it here to this top color. And for that, I'm using an angled liner brush, and I'm going into the shade Bewitched. So I know I did say it was a daytime look, but I'm going ahead and I'm stopping this one right here because I just want to show you. This might be a little bit too bold for some people for during the day. So I'm just showing you that you don't have to bring it all the way out if this is too much for the daytime for you. It's not your preference. You can always stop it a little bit shorter. I did still do a little short wing, but I just didn't go all the way and connect it. So you can choose if you like this one. Go for it. If you don't like it for the daytime, again, you can always go ahead and stop it there. It's your look. You can do whatever you want with it. This is just to give you guys ideas. This top part too, you don't have to go that much out. You can always keep it a little bit shorter. I went ahead and I added my mascara to my lashes. And so now let's move on to lips. So first I'm going to be lining my lips with the Makiage Carli Bybel lip liner in the shade Luna. And on top of that, my e.l.f. Seriously Satin lipstick in the shade Cider. And here's look number one, my daytime look. To my nighttime look. I do want to still do it colorful, sticking to I think the same colors or color story that I did in the daytime look, because I really do like the berries and greens for fall time, and I mean the neutrals are easy to work with for the most part, so I want to do something that's different. So this time I'm going to begin with Dead Man's Toe right here with a fluffy brush, and I'm going to start applying that to the inner part of my crease. And of course you want to go in and give it a nice blend. Next I'm picking up a more precise kind of blending brush, going into the shade Bewitched, and applying that to the outer parts of my crease. using the same method that I did earlier, which was cutting my crease. Right on top of that concealer, I'm taking this shade Yellows. I'm going to see how well it applies with the brush. If I have to go in with my finger, then I'll go ahead and do that. Oh wow, it's actually really, really nice. It goes on so smoothly. Then next, I'm going to be applying this one right here, Brew Potion, into my inner corner. More of a pressed glitter. Actually, it is a pressed glitter. It feels like. I want to stick to that palette and I want to put gold in there, so that's the closest thing that I have in this palette to gold shimmer. So, but I think it works fine. I mean, it's not as vibrant or as bright as I usually go for in the inner corner, but because I want to stick to the palette, I used that one right there. I'm taking my angled liner brush again. I'm going into this shade right here. I call it a Buzz. I'm just going to use this shade for my liner. So I am going to go a little bit against of what I just said right now about just sticking to the palette. But I think this look would just look so good with some gold glitter right up there in the cut crease. So just for this reason is why I'm going to go in with my NYX Liquid Crystal Body Liner in the shade Gold. Wait, is it? Yeah, Crystal Gold. Do you have to do this? No, but is it something that I feel I need? Yes. Glitter dries, I'm going to go in with the shade Night of Frolic for my lower lash line. Here are the eyes after 2 coats of mascara. Falsies would be absolutely gorgeous for this look as well. And for lips, I'm really excited because I love berry lips. And I know the eyes are already a lot, but there's berry in the eyes, and I feel like putting berry on the lips would help balance it. And that's just how I do for fall. So first I'm going in with my Essence Lip Liner in the shade Honey Berry. And on top of that, my NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Prague. And then this is me thinking, I thought it was going to be a lot darker. So I think if I can mix in this one, it'll get to a darker berry shade like what I was hoping for. So here I have the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Budapest. So let's see if this kind of fixes things up. Okay, that's a lot better. And here's look number 2, the nighttime look. This video, guys. Please do let me know what you think of these 2 looks. Let me know which one was your favorite between the 2. Honestly, I'm feeling more this one. For some reason, I don't know, maybe it's just about time that I use more color and I miss the bold lips. I do love my bold lips for fall and winter, so I think that's what's like convincing me. I really like the gold too. But again, let me know what you guys think, and thank you again, gracias prima, for letting me borrow your palette. And I loved all the colors. It is really the perfect color story for the fall time. You have your neutrals, your greens, and your berries, which I think is, those are your must-haves for sure. So please don't forget to subscribe if you're not yet. Give this video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye!